In this video, we will talk about other types of joint ventures. There are other ways you can build rapport in JV partners. If you and the JV partner are both looking to build up your lists, then AdSwap is a way to go. All you need to do is promote a free offer and match each other's clicks. Both will grow each other's list size and you will both make money at the same time. Cross promotions is where you will promote each other's launch or product for an affiliate commission. Think of it as I scratch your back, you scratch mine. Integration marketing is simply putting your bonus or backend offer on a JV partner's thank you page and vice versa. Another way you can look at it is more of a thank you page swap. Lastly, you have partnerships. If you do not have a large list but a really good product, you can co-brand with another internet marketer with a much larger list or more leverage with JV partners. That way, not only will you leverage on your JV partner, you will also gain a lot of visibility with other marketers by piggybacking on your partner. In the next video, we will talk about how to be a highly profitable JV broker.